Yes. And to be awarded by our TEO President and our school principal.
Our SPPE and our SGC. And also, Pop, Paumanhin. Yes, it is compliment of President. Okay, una po ay si ang ating TEO President.
Or Reyna number 1, Renalyn Tagayo.
Dito po sa unahan, tapos picture taking na, sabi ni Sir Dale. Pa-picture po. Ayan. Thank you so much. And our second,
Reyna Maria Rica Padilla Ramilla.
ay bibigyan pa kayo ni Sir Nick. At ang ating pangatlong kandidata ay si Ma'am Jelly Clarito na ibibigyan siya ng plakayo ng ating SDC.
SPDA.
And our
Reyna number 4, Cristina Cornelius. Given by SPDA President Mother Joy.
at siya ang ating education community head, Ma'am.
Reyna number 5, Claribel Bautista. Awarded by our barangay captain, Sarabusa.